welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing some Instagram story flyers, but before we get into the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. This video doing both helps others find this video. So let's get started. Getting married at 17, y'all. Okay, so if you don't know, I am Muslim, so I was born and raised Muslim or whatever. So getting married at 17 is not really a normal in Islam. So at 17, I kind of wanted to get married, but then I kind of didn't want to get married at the time. Like, I knew that I wanted to finish school and stuff like that, but I knew that I wanted to get out of my mom's house too. So it just was like. And at that time, our living situation had changed. My mom's spouse had changed at the time. So it was like, you know, everything was just different. We were adjusting. We moved to, a different part of the city. So everything was just new, and it just was like a lot of things were going on that I really weren't used to. So yeah, I was trying to get out the house. So when I got married to my oldest daughter's father, I was 17, 18 years old. So if you know from our last video, I said that was like short-lived, because it literally was short-lived. Like like it really was. But God was like, you gonna come out this situation with a baby, you know. But I really enjoyed like being married or whatever. And I feel like it really gives a chance to grow with your partner, like in so many different, levels. Even though I really didn't experience that until I married my youngest daughter father, which who I am married to now. So, but I don't know. It's just something about when you just get married a little bit younger, like, and even back then our grandparents was doing it, great grandparents was doing it, like they was getting married at young ages. So yeah, so I was excited to get married, but at the time I had like my goals were so big. Like I wanted to do my lingerie line, I wanted to finish school and stuff. So I still was in high school at this time. So when I did graduate, I did have my baby or whatever, but I don't know, that part of it was kind of easy for me because I was homeschooled and stuff. But being married young, I feel like it's so much better. Like I really do. So after like the relationship with me and my oldest daughter's father is like, it's really just, it's not really a relationship. You get what I'm saying? Like I don't know how to explain it. I really don't. I feel like when me and him got married, like before that, I really just was like, I was young. Like, honestly, I really was young, and I wasn't really thinking about a long term and like who he actually was or whatever. So I feel like what happened in the situation was kind of just like, that's what you get. So, but I'm not, like mad at myself or being too hard on myself. Like, I mean, it is what it was. So, but yeah, I felt like I just was trying to get out. Like, I just was trying to get out. And I really felt like my whole situation had changed, like everything. Like, you know, so yeah, it just was like I was young, I wasn't really thinking about, it was more so just like, I guess, desire, honestly. That's what I could really say. So, but my daughter, she's very smart. Like she's a very, pretty girl. Like, and she's so mature for her age. um, and then marrying like my youngest daughter's father, like at that time my life was a little bit different. I was able to like go to therapy and just heal from things that I had went through, you know, just with my previous marriage or whatever, and then like family, and then you know childhood traumas and stuff like that. So you know, when I married him, I was in a space where I was okay. You know, I was working at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. I had moved. I had my own apartment or whatever. Like I was just in a much better, happier space. And it was like at that time, I think I was like 21, 20, 21, I think when me and him got married. So it was like I was much more mature, you know, and I kind of knew what I wanted. I didn't want to repeat the same mistakes over and over and over again. So yeah, like being, and I felt like when I got married, like I wanted that feeling of being like I prayed for this person, like, and God gave me the person, you know, that I wanted. So yeah, I feel like now, and then being like here in Egypt and stuff like that, because I couldn't have never moved to Egypt with my oldest daughter's father. No, it could have just never happened. No, 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 no. But so now it's like with the relationship that I am in now, it's like I don't know, it's like cool. You know, I don't feel like it's really stressful for me. Like I don't feel like I'm really, you know, and I think it also comes just being content with whatever God literally throws at you, because there's no perfect relationship and you're going to be tested with everything, your children, your family, your friends, your spouse. Like you're just going to be tested with the people in your life. And that doesn't mean that, you know, because sometimes it might be super terrible things, or but sometimes it might just be, you know, simple things, you know, like a disagreement or whatever the case may be. So now, yeah, it's kind of just this marriage for me is different. We've been married for next month, September of 2023, will be 3 years that we've been married. And it's just like, I don't know, it's cool. Like I don't really know, I don't really know what else to say. Like it's cool. It's, I don't know. I don't know. Like from the time that me and him got married till now, a lot of things have changed, but I feel like it's pushing me in a way to grow and just to be a better person for myself and then my children. And it really has allowed me to really be able to literally focus on myself, and not have to worry about certain stresses or whatever that I would have to worry about before, you know, because a lot of women in today's time are just like, oh, I don't need a man, I don't need a man, I don't need a man. Like, I've never been one of them. I'm sorry. Like, no. Like, I called my dad, like, bro, I'm crying on the phone, like I'm tired of taking out the trash, I'm tired of taking out the trash, like, because it's a real thing, and it's like deeper than just taking out the trash. Like life is so hard, and then it's like when you're a single mom at the same time and you gotta go to work and you gotta do daycare and co-pays and all of this stuff, like that's not easy, you know. Like I want my place to be in the home. Like I want to be able to take care of my house and just have to focus on myself and my kids. I don't want to have to do all that other extra stuff. Like that's just like, it's too much. It's stressful. And I feel like it's just society and these stigmas and these rules that they put in place is just like tearing families apart. So it's like, no, like no, just no. Mm-mm. I feel like the idea of marriage now and what like social media is making it look like and what the world is making it look like. It's terrible. It's like you might as well not even get married at this point. Like, what is the reason? But you know, just if you are in a relationship, like just be patient with the shortcomings of your partner. Like communication is everything, and if you need to, go to therapy. But we are getting to the end of the video, y'all, so let me know in the comments how you guys feel about these Instagram story flyers, and I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.